Hello and welcome back to my channel. This week we are going to go over 5 beginner moves every Lightwhip artist should know. And of course, before we get started, I want to remind you to hit that like and subscribe button. The first move that every Lightwhipper should know is body lacing. Body lacing is a very versatile move. You can do a lot with just that one simple concept. Number 2, arm circles. For this move, you want to make sure that your whip is properly lubricated. Otherwise, what's going to happen is it's going to get tangled and then you're going to get stuck. 3, we have galaxies. So in order to do galaxies, you are just creating a circle with your thumb and index, or you could use your middle finger, totally up to you. And you are just rotating. Sometimes it will start to fall out of your hand. When that happens, of course, just make sure you let it come out and then grab it from the base again. Really cool, interesting move. Number 4, we have a crowd favorite, which are knee infinities. And the last 5th move that everyone should know are reels. So a reel is a fiber wielding move. That's when you are going from one plane to the next, from the front to the back, front to the back, front to the back. You can do a lot of cool stuff with this move. Getting into that. And of course, before you go off and practice all these awesome moves on your own, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as it does help to support my channel. Happy whipping, guys!